Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of the family. So, we are doing another BoxyCharm unboxing, and really quick story. I was just filming my other premium box, or else I would have done this together, and I heard a truck come, and I wanted to just go and see if it was my other premium box, and it was. So we are going to go through this premium box, see if we get a lighter color pure palette in here. I hope so. And then we'll go over what was in the other box really quick, and then we're gonna do which one was better. So again, $35 premium box, and let's just get into it. All right, when you open her up, of course, you get your little premium sign there. I love the blue. And then here is what you see. And we got a Fairlight one. Yay! Okay, I'm excited now. Now I can use it. All right, so here is what I was just talking about. Okay, I'm so excited for this now. Oh yeah, these are more my colors. So here are the colors for that. So exciting. Let's do some swatches. I really love Pure products. I even like their eyeshadows, so you're not getting any complaints from me for getting this palette. There are some swatches. Very light, which is fine, but that blush is really, really pretty. Yeah, I really like that. I'm so happy that it was a light, Fairlight palette. All right, so going over this, it says, where are you? 4-in-1, Pure 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders Face Palette. This 4-in-1 palette features a stunning mix of bronzer, highlighter, blush, and translucent setting powder, arranged in a travel-friendly palette designed to help you sculpt and highlight the perfect look. Accentuate your best features and bring out the best in you with this exclusive collection valued at $32. So I'm excited for it. Yay, super happy. All right, taking off the blue, we have the bubble wrap, which I'm assuming is the Dose of Colors, and yes, it is. Hopefully it's not the same shade. Hopefully it's different. And it is. Okay, so this one is I Need Space. So let's see what color this is. I'm glad it's a different color. All right, like I said, I love the packaging. They killed it. So cute. This one doesn't want to open. There we go. Ooh, that's pretty. That's like a blue kind of shade. So let's see. Oh, that's like a blue black. She's dark. That's really pretty though. All right, so let's go over what it says about this. Dose of Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is packed with multi-dimensional reflex, creating an ultra dazzling finish. Each eyeshadow comes with its own mirrored compact, and it is valued at $20. So not mad at it. All right, next item is my choice item, which was the Smashbox powder. And this says, oh yeah, and oh my God, really? So my variation for the first box was 1. My variation for this box is 2. How does that happen? What? That's crazy. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to like interrupt myself, but I just looked down and variation 2. Crazy. Okay. So this says Smashbox Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder, a weightless setting powder featuring a built-in powderizer that grinds the finest, freshest powder to set makeup, mattify shine, and blur skin. One twist grinds pressed powder into a light diffusing micro powder, creating just enough for a smooth, even layer with less mess, valued at $39. I have never tried this, and this is shade 01. I'm not really big on Smashbox, but I picked the Illamasqua palette for the other box, so, oh, it's so cute. It's a lot bigger than what you think. Like, when you see it, it doesn't seem like it's that big, but it really is big. How do you open it? Okay, so you push the little button, get fresh powder with every twist, it says. And of course, this thing is going to be a pain in the butt to get off. Okay, after chipping my nail, I got it off. So here is what it looks like. It is so cool. This concept is amazing. And then I'm trying to do it so that you guys can see. When you twist it, Oh, that's so cool. The powder just comes out and then you have freshly ground powder. That is so cool. Here's what it looks like when it comes out. Let's see. Oh, it's got some color to it. Look at, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's right here, but it definitely has some color to it. We'll see. I mean, we'll have to see what it's like. I'm not mad at it at all. I'm kind of happy. So moving on, we have a first repeat item, and it is, I think everybody got this. So it's the Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream Peptide 3. I can't read that word or that word. This advanced detoxifying night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides, that is ECHINACEA, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids. They detox and regenerate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in a radiant, youthful skin. And this little bad boy is valued at $125, which is ridiculous, but nonetheless, here we are. All right, the next thing, we got another lip liner duo, which I already got. This says, Real Her Line Your Lips Duo. Line your lips with ease. The creamy formulation infused with jojoba seed oil and shea butter, providing a smooth application and a natural matte finish. Choose between our deep nude and true wet red while preventing your favorite lipstick, matte or moisturizing, from bleeding or feathering, valued at $25. And they're so hard to get out. I'll show you the colors from this box so you guys can see what they look like. All right, so here are the two colors. I think they're super pretty. I'm really not mad at having a duplicate of this because I mean, I go through lip liners. And then the last thing is another duplicate. So there's two duplicates in this box, really three, but the dose of colors is a different color. So I'm not mad about, actually 4 because the pure skin thing, but at least this time around, it's fair light and not medium. So these are the cosmetic skincare brush set. Take cleansing to the next level with this embossed brush designed for gentle exfoliation and effective deep pore cleansing. Plus, bring the spa experience home with a dual-sided silicone spatula that effortlessly and evenly distributes product across your face. Use it to apply cream, exfoliator, serum, or masks with ultimate precision and no mess. Valued at $25. I think it's a really good idea to have these, especially around this time of season when this virus is running rapid. I don't think you should be touching your face that much. So this is a really good idea. So let's recap. We have the brushes. We have the lip liners, the dose of colors. We have the Pure palette, the Grown Alchemist, and the Smashbox, if I can get a hold of it, setting powder. So that is box, okay, so we're gonna say that's box B because that's the second box. So box A has the brushes, the dose of colors in Jackpot. We have the Illamasqua. We have the liners, the Grown Alchemist, and we have the Pure palette in the wrong shade. So box A and box B. Which one do you guys think is better? Gosh, they're so good, but I'm gonna have to go box B because of that Pure palette. So let me know down below which one you guys liked better. And thank you so, so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.